Alright, here we are in South Wales on a waterfall hunt today. We'll be looking for as many waterfalls as possible. Of course, we might bump into a few other things like caves. But yeah, it's a sunny day. Let the waterfall hunt begin. Right, here we are. Alright, the first waterfall. Massive. Right, we've arrived at waterfall number 1. I have no idea what the name is because it's a Welsh name. But it's a beautiful little waterfall. It is amazing, isn't it? Here we are at the bottom of waterfall number 1. Looks kind of mad. It was a trek to get here, but you know, it's alright. Definitely worth it. Alright, on the way to waterfall number 2. Lost my vlog stick, so my arm is my tripod today. Alright, after a battle coming down here, getting stung by all these thorns, we got to waterfall number 2. And as you can see, I rinsed my hair to get a bit of refreshment because it is a hot day. Look at that. Waterfall number 2 is bigger than expected. It's still going from up here. It's kind of mad. Exploring waterfall number 2. It had a little lagoon, so we jumped in and got completely soaked. We went behind the waterfall, took some nice photos. It's a pretty mad waterfall, definitely I think one of my favourite out of the first 2 we've seen. But yeah, now we're off to waterfall number 3 of the 4 waterfalls in this area. But yeah, let's go. Right, here we are at waterfall number 3. At the bottom, right next to it. This waterfall is beautiful in its own way. All of these waterfalls are mad. But this one is beautiful in its own way. Alright, last waterfall, Eira. 10 minutes away. Let's go. Arrived to the 4th waterfall, the 4th and final waterfall. This apparently is the waterfall where you can sit behind the waterfall. And apparently one of the best waterfalls here out of the 4. So yeah, let's get to it. Right, here we are at waterfall number 4. The one where you can stand behind the waterfall. Looks kind of mad, but I'm about to go there and take a few photos. Let's go! Alright, here we are, behind the waterfall. Alright, that is waterfall number 4, done. I think out of the 4 waterfalls, this is definitely favourite. Just go behind it. Yeah, let's go. Alright, finished the 4 waterfalls. Now, back to the car, and then deciding where to go next. Hello. Yo. So we went to Tesco's, got some food, and now we're off to another waterfall. This one's a bit separate, but luckily the walk is quite small, it's not as long as the last one. But yeah, looks good. The reviews look really good on it. See how it goes. Where we at? We arrived at the 5th waterfall. This one is separate from the 4 waterfall track, but from the reviews, it looks pretty good. A little walk down, 10-minute walk. We should be there. Let's go. Alright, arrived at waterfall number 5. This one is quite high, and there's a rainbow right in the middle of it. It does look good. Right next to the waterfall at the bottom. Looks kind of mad. I don't know if you see that rainbow, but it's kind of mad. The rainbow, a high waterfall. I think this is one of the best waterfalls. Look at this beauty. Alhamdulillah. Waterfall number 5. Definitely one of my favourite waterfalls. Alright, just been in the water, in the waterfall. It's pretty cold and my feet got pretty wet, and now we're drying our feet. Sitting behind the waterfall and drying our feet. And now it's getting to the time where the sun is setting. So the next spot we're going to is not a waterfall, but a place where the sunset will look good, hopefully. Alright, we're leaving the waterfall, now going to watch a sunset somewhere. Let's go. Right, we arrived at a place where we can watch a sunset. It's a mad place. I believe it's over that hill, there's a little lake. But yeah, we'll see how it looks. Halfway up to where we're going to watch a sunset, and we come across this pond. It looks kind of mad. Nice backdrop. Sick place. Alright, arrived at a place where we can watch a sunset. Unfortunately, it's already setting, so we can't see it. It's in a little dip. But it looks kind of mad. Sunset. We're finishing the video now. That's part 1 done. Tomorrow we go again and see what else we can find. This has been mainland exploring, but tomorrow we're going to be doing seaside exploring, coastal exploring. It should be good, but there's a sunset if it lets me see it. There, look at that.